So welcome to all of you into the grammar session, and today we are going to discuss the parts of speech. You know the parts of speech, and okay, सबसे पहले what do you mean by parts of speech and why we need the parts of speech? Parts of speech क्या होता है parts of speech? हाँ, इतने बड़े बड़े टॉपिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए ना होता क्या है parts of speech.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
subject and
combination,
predicate.
No.
ma'am, the combination of noun, verb, and adverb.
हाँ, so parts of speech होते हैं basically there are the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjunction, and prepositions. These are all the parts of speech, and these are the very basic modules for the grammar. Now the question is why we need the part of speech? Why we need the part of speech? We need the part of speech if we really want to make any sentence in a more beautiful manner, in a more meaningful manner. We should have the good knowledge of the parts of speech. Okay? राइट किसी भी सेंटेंस को अगर आपको स्ट्रक्चर करना है मोर मीनिंगफुल मैनर में, मोर ब्यूटीफुल मैनर में, मोर पॉलिश्ड मैनर में, यू शुड हैव द गुड नॉलेज ऑफ द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. Okay. Why I have chosen this topic, guys, you attend your vocab sessions. Okay, you all are attending your vocab sessions. So in the vocab sessions, you will get this problem. Suppose a sentence is coming. Suppose your coach is saying, okay, now make this sentence, and you start making the sentence. Then your coach will say, no, 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 this is not a verb. You have used this word as a noun. Sometimes your coach says, no, 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 you have used this word as an adjective. You have to use it as a verb. Then at that time, we got stuck. We can identify whether it is a noun, whether it is an adverb, whether it is a adjective. Okay, so in today's session, first we will discuss how we can identify the parts of speech. Clear? Shall we start? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start. So I have prepared this slides in detail. So this is more than enough. Okay, and I will share it also after the session. So parts of speech. So let's start. First आता है part of speech आपका noun. Noun. You know all know कि what is noun. Noun क्या होता है? We all know what is noun. But question क्या आता है? अब हमारा topic क्या है? How to identify the nouns in a sentence. How to identify the nouns in a sentence. Omala, there is no power?
Yes, ma'am.
No power at your home?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the first trick is, what is noun? How you can identify a noun, or how you can say this is a noun or not? Any name, person, animal, thing. Any name, person, animal, thing, that is called the noun. Like Sakib, just unmute. Sakib, tell me, what is a noun? I am Sakib.
Yes, ma'am.
I am Sakib. What is a noun in this sentence?
Sakib is the noun.
Sakib is a noun. Very good. Why? Because it is a name of a person.
Person.
I have a dog. I have a dog.
Dog is the noun.
Dog is a noun. Dog is a noun. I live in Delhi. What is a noun?
Delhi.
Delhi is a noun. Place. I have a laptop. I have a laptop. What is a noun?
Laptop.
Laptop. ठीक है? So name, place, animal, thing, that becomes the noun. Trick number 1. Very simple. Like for example, okay, yes. Yes, Sonali, she bought a pair of shoes. So what is a noun? Pair of shoes. Pair of shoes. Because it's
Pair
not
of shoes.
shoes. Pair of shoes. Pair of shoes. So because it is a thing. It is a thing. I have a pet. Pet is a noun. Is this your book? What is a noun?
Book.
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 Many people have a fear of darkness. What are the nouns?
Fear of darkness.
Fear or darkness. What type of noun? These are called the abstract nouns. These are called the abstract nouns because these are the nouns which we cannot touch. हम darkness को we cannot touch. We can only feel it. So that is called the abstract nouns. And one more noun is also there in this sentence. Can anyone tell me what is that?
People.
People is also the noun. People is a common noun. Common. Right? He is my brother. So here, what is a noun?
Brother.
Brother. Very good. This is my school. Saraswati, what is a noun? Play. School. School is a noun. Okay, so this is clear. Name, place, animal, thing. If you are able to find the name, place, animal, thing, that becomes a noun. What is a trick number 2? Trick number 2 कहता है if a word is followed by any article. If a word is followed by an article, article कौन कौन से होते हैं हमारे? A and the. A and the. अगर किसी भी वर्ड से पहले हमारा आर्टिकल आ जाता है तो वो क्या बन जाता है हमारा noun. That becomes our noun. That becomes our noun. Like for example, he saw a tiger at the zoo. So tiger. Tiger से पहले क्या है? What is coming before
A.
tiger? A. So tiger becomes a noun. Although it is a name of animal also, so you can apply both the tricks in that. Zoo. Zoo is also the noun because again the article is come. They bought a computer. A. So that's why computer is a noun. Okay. Next trick आता है if you find the suffix. Suffix का मतलब क्या होता है पार्था? What do you mean by suffix?
Something at the end of
Yes, very good.
word.
The something that we put at the end of the word. Something that we put at the end of the word, that is called the suffix. So these are the suffix: ity, ty, nes, hod, ist, ment, sion, tion, ager. If these words are coming, if these suffix are coming at the end of the word, then that word becomes the noun. Okay? Right? Arun,
Yes.
Arun,
Yes, ma'am.
Arun, for you. In my childhood, I used to play cricket. What is a noun?
Play.
Childhood.
हाँ?
Childhood.
Play तो verb हो गया, Arun.
हाँ, child. Sorry.
Childhood, hood, HOOD, hood है. ठीक है, there are many nouns, but अभी right now we are talking about the suffix. Okay? Right? Suffix.
Yes, sir.
तो ये suffix आपको याद होनी चाहिए. Clear? Suffix. So I have made this chart also. You can read this. You can read this. Saraswati, I go to dentist. I go to dentist. What is a noun?
Dentist.
Dentist. Very good. How you identify? IST.
IST.
IST, dentist. Okay? So that you can check. Next identity आता है how you can identify the noun if you will work on who, whom, what. If you will work on who, whom, what, and you are getting the answer, so that answers becomes the noun. Who, whom, what.
What?
Okay? Like, acha. Okay, अभी इसको छोड़ते हैं. Like for example, Shakespeare was a dramatist. Shakespeare was a dramatist. Okay, Bhushan, what is a noun?
Shakespeare.
Bhushan, not
Yeah,
audible.
Shakespeare, ma'am.
Only Shakespeare?
Dramatist.
Dramatist also.
Dramatist also, guys.
Dramatist.
See, IST
Okay.
से end हो रहा है.
Okay.
Sakib, Harry broke the window.
Harry.
Heavy and window.
Only
Harry and
Harry.
window.
Harry and window.
विंडो
Harry
विंडो भी तो हुआ ना.
window.
देखो सकीब, इसके अंदर आप कौन सा रूल, व्हाट द रूल यू कैन अप्लाई? एक तो विंडो इज अ थिंग दैट इट इज आल्सो नाउन, और सी दिस वर्ड से बिफोर दिस वर्ड एन आर्टिकल इज कमिंग, द आर्टिकल इज कमिंग, सो अगेन इट इज अ नाउन. मीना, Ram invited his friends yesterday.
Ram
Only Ram?
and invited.
No.
No, not invited. Ram and
Friend.
friends.
Ram and friends.
Ram and friends.
Ram and friends. So Ram and friends are the noun. Omala clear? Sohib clear?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am, why friends is a noun?
फ्रेंड्स इज अ कॉमन नाउन होता है सोनाली. फ्रेंड्स, कोई भी फ्रेंड. ठीक है ना. फ्रेंड का मतलब हम इसको पर्सन के अंदर कंसीडर करते हैं. ही इज माई फ्रेंड, तो फ्रेंड एक पर्सन है, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट बिकम्स अ नाउन. ओके, फ्रेंड.
Okay.
Now, nouns are used with articles, adjectives, and prepositions. Nouns nouns are used with articles. अगर articles के बाद कोई word आ रहा है, that is also the noun. If any word is coming after the adjectives, that is also noun. If any word is coming after the preposition also, that is also the noun. So there are so many tips and techniques you can retain into your mind to identify the nouns. Omala, the children found an egg in the nest. What is a noun?
Children, egg,
Hmm.
nest.
Very good. Children, egg, and nest. So here, the Ganga is a sacred river.
The Ganga and sacred river.
Sacred river. Okay. Bhushan, what about you?
Ganga and a river.
Why not sacred?
Sacred seems verb here.
Sacred seems verb.
It is
Okay.
adjective.
It's an
Yes.
adjective.
Adjective, sorry.
It's an adjective.
Yeah.
लिखो अच्छा चलो एक चीज लिखो. He is a boy. लिखो. He is a boy.
Hmm.
Second sentence. He is a good boy. He is a good boy.
Yeah.
Third sentence. He is a very good boy. He is a very good boy. अब देखो रूल क्या कहता है, if any word is followed after the article, so that word becomes a
Noun.
noun. That word becomes a noun.
Noun.
So what is a noun in the first sentence, Sonali?
Boy.
Boy. What
Boy.
is a noun in the second sentence?
A good boy.
Huh?
Boy.
Good boy.
Only
Good boy.
boy.
Good boy. Good
Good
boy.
boy.
ठीक है ना, क्योंकि ए के बाद आ रहा है. What are the nouns in the next sentence?
Very good
Boy.
Very good boy. ठीक है, because a के बाद क्या आ रहा है, very भी आ रहा है, good भी आ रहा है, boy भी आ रहा है, तो according to the rule these are all becomes the noun. But no. तो अब सुनो मेरी बात, ध्यान से सुनना. अगर आर्टिकल के बाद if only the single word is coming after an article, if the single word is coming after the article, then it becomes a noun. ठीक है, अगर दो वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं, if two words are coming after the article, so जो first word है that becomes an adjective and
Adjective.
second word becomes a noun. ठीक है,
Yeah.
clear? If three words are coming after an article, if three words, like for example, he is a very good boy. Please mute. Some noise is coming from your end. So if three words are coming after an article, so कौन से आए? Very good boy. So if
Very
three
good boy.
words are coming, तो first word क्या बन जाएगा?
Adverb.
Adverb. Second word बन जाएगा adjective. Third word बन जाएगा noun. Clear? तो बताओ, अब दोबारा बताओ. He is a boy. हाँ.
नाउन एंड एडवर्ब
Boy
में
is
यानी
noun.
वो डिफरेंस नहीं समझा मैम.
देखो भूषण, मैं बता रही हूँ, अगर आर्टिकल के बाद एक वर्ड आया, सिंगल वर्ड आया, that becomes a noun.
Yeah.
If two words are followed after the article, so first word adjective, second word noun.
Noun. Yeah.
If three words are coming after an article,
Okay.
so जो first word है that becomes an adverb,
Adverb.
second word becomes an adjective, third word becomes a noun.
Okay.
Like for example, he is a very good boy. So what is very?
Adverb.
Adverb.
Adverb. What is good?
Adjective.
Adjective. What is boy?
Noun.
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 Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. अच्छा चलो एक और लिखते हैं. This is a bag. This is a bag.
Bag.
This is heavy bag. This is a heavy bag. This is too heavy bag. Yeah, this is very heavy bag. Too heavy bag भी ठीक है. Yeah, this is very heavy bag. So what is a noun?
Bag.
Bag. In
Bag.
the second sentence, what is
Adjective heavy. And
adjective
noun
is
is
heavy
bag.
and bag is noun.
Noun.
In the third sentence,
Two is Adverb.
Adverb. Two is
adverb.
adverb.
Heavy
Heavy
is
is an
adjective.
adjective. And
Bag is a
bag is
noun.
a noun.
Bag is
Right? ठीक है, clear this thing? चलो. Shall I proceed further? Sonali, is
Yes.
it clear? Sakib, clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
उमाला, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
उमाला थोड़ा सा नाराज लग रही है। उमाला, अभी हम टेंसेस करेंगे। हाँ, उमाला
Yes.
बिल्कुल इसी माइंडसेट से आई थी कि एकदम से आते ही हम टेंसेस करेंगे। हाँ, उमाला?
Yes, same,
हाँ,
ma'am.
इसके बाद
Same
we
with
will
me.
start. But this is very important. Okay. The boy switched off the fans. तो off लग गया। तो what is fans, Sharmila? Fans is an noun. मतलब मैं
Noun.
सिर्फ प्रपोजिशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देख रही हूँ। He returned after a month. What is
Month.
a noun?
He
Month.
Hmm.
Month.
and
No,
month.
he
Month.
is not a noun.
Okay.
Okay.
Month.
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 Because it is coming after the preposition. After is a
Yeah.
preposition.
Article.
He is fond of music.
Music.
Music. Because
Music.
again of के बाद आ रहा है, preposition के बाद आ रहा है. The book is on the desk.
Desk.
Book.
Desk.
Book and the desk.
Yes.
Yes.
Desk.
Children love stories about courage. Omala, what is a noun?
Which one?
Children love stories about courage.
Courage.
Children.
Courage.
Only children?
The courage also.
So, stories
And what about
also.
stories? Stories also.
Stories.
Stories. ठीक है? So children हो गया, stories हो गया and courage हो गया. Sometimes we got confused कि courage noun होगा या नहीं होगा. Then you can apply this trick. About क्या है? What is an about? About is a preposition. And if it is coming after the preposition, then it becomes a noun. Children and stories, so we can easily find. Okay? Next, pronoun क्या होता है? Pronoun हम use करते हैं in place of the noun. So there are the different
Noun.
types of pronouns. So subject pronoun and the object pronouns are the most important. Subject pronouns हमारे होते हैं I, you, he, she, it, you, we, they. ठीक है? जो subject की जगह आते हैं instead of the like for example, Ram is a boy. Ram plays cricket. Ram lives in Delhi. So instead of Ram, how what I can replace? I can replace Ram
He.
with he. He. So subject pronoun के साथ I can replace. And what are the object pronouns? Object pronouns are the pronouns that comes in the place of an object. Like for example, I like her. What is I?
Subject.
Subject.
Subject pronoun. What is like?
Object pronoun.
Object.
Like verb.
What is like?
Sorry, verb.
Like is
Verb.
verb.
Like
a
is
verb.
Verb.
And what is her?
Object pronoun.
Object.
Her is an
pronoun.
object pronoun.
Object pronoun.
Her is object pronoun. This is also the pronoun, but that is called the object pronoun because that comes in the place of an object. ठीक है? So object pronoun क्या हो जाता है? I का क्या बन जाता है? Me. You का you. He का him. She का her. It का it. We का us. You का you. And they का them.
Them.
ठीक है? ये बस पता होना चाहिए, इसका हम ज्यादा यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं. Possessive adjectives. चलो अब आते हैं हम adjectives के ऊपर. Adjectives क्या होते हैं? What do you mean by adjectives? Adjectives are called the describing words that tells us about the nouns or the pronouns. That tells us about the quality of that. The clever fox defeated the brave lion. Sakib, can you tell me, dear, what is an adjective in this sentence?
Defeated.
Defeated is a verb. First, you have to find out the noun. Sakib, सबसे पहले आप noun find out करो. और noun का देखो क्या quality बता रहे हैं. That becomes your adjective.
Noun is lion.
Noun is
Lion. Fox.
lion. Lion and fox. ठीक है? अब कैसी fox? What type of fox?
Clever
Clever
and
Clever.
Clever. So clever becomes an
Clever.
adjective.
Adjective.
And second adjective is
Brave.
brave.
brave. Very good. Second
Brave.
adjective is brave. ठीक है? Which tells us about the quality. Okay? Yes, Arun? The doctor said that it is a hopeless case.
It is not hopeless.
Hmm?
Hopeless.
Hopeless is an adjective. Very nice, very
Adjective.
nice. Because case is a noun. ठीक है?
Noun.
And mostly where we have to put most of the time adjectives before the noun. What type of case it is? It is a hopeless case.
Hopeless. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Partha, number third.
There is a smart.
Smart.
Yeah.
Very good. Smart. Smart is a adjective. Some students helped her to do this work. Sonali?
Help.
Hmm?
Help.
Help. Help to action हो गया ना Sonali. That becomes a verb.
To do the.
Okay, Bhushan?
No adjective, ma'am.
No adjective. Okay, this is the safest game, na?
There's no adjective.
Okay, anyone?
Some is the adjective.
Some is an adjective.
Some means
So
some
students,
number. Some number.
some numbers. देखो adjectives not always कि that should be in a word. Sometimes it is coming in the numbers also. Few. कितने students? Few
Few.
students. So उसको हम numeric adjectives भी बोलते हैं. So some is also the adjective. The first chapter of the book is very interesting. Sohail, unmute Sohail.
Interesting, very interesting.
नहीं very हमारा adverb हुआ. Interesting is adjective.
Interesting
Well
is
said.
an-
Only interesting.
No, first.
Yes, ma'am.
First.
Only
First is also an
First.
adjective. First. कौन सा chapter? First chapter. तो
First
first, second, third
First
ये सब हमारे adjectives होते हैं. Few, some, many सब हमारे adjectives. ठीक है, so I have written a list also. You please go through with that. The words that ends with ABLE, AL, ANT, ARY, FUL, IC, IOUS, IVE, LESSY. जो भी words इनसे end हो रहा है वो सब हमारे क्या बन जाते हैं?
Adjective.
adjective.
ठीक है, एक बार बस देख लेना इसको. This is also the sentence pattern for the adjective. Suppose करो sentence है I have a red car. So what is red?
Adjective.
Adjective. What is car? Noun. So we
Noun.
sometimes we have to follow this structure. Adjective or noun. Adjective or noun. I have a red car. I have a blue phone. What is an adjective?
Blue.
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 What is phone?
Noun.
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 ठीक है. But sometimes you will also see the sentence in this case. The student is tired. The student is tired. So then you can't say कि tired is a verb.
It's
Don't
adjective.
say tired is a verb. Sometimes it happens. देखो अगर यहाँ पर tired verb होता तो यहाँ पर tired आता. अगर इस यहाँ पर tired जो अगर verb होता तो my question is it is tired? No, it is tiring. Because if it is a verb, so you this sentence will follow the verb partnership.
Yes, ma'am. B.
Right? तो अगर हमारे पास ये this is a sentence pattern, B के बाद हमारा adjective आता है. The student is tired. So in this case, you can say the tired is a adjective.
Noun.
Adjective, not the noun. Like for example, याद है हमने अपने वर्कशॉप में करा था I am done. I am done. जैसे मेरा पेट भर गया I am done. तो I am के बाद क्या आया है? अब डनिंग तो नहीं आया, ing तो नहीं आ रहा ना. According to the verb partnership rule क्या होना चाहिए था कि after am it should be ing. But it is not ing. So if it is not ing, so then that becomes the adjective. Okay, clear? Now adverb. Adverb क्या होता है? Adverb is a word that tells something more about the verb, adjective and adverb. I ate my dinner quickly. अब ये किसके बारे में बता रहा है? ये ate के बारे में बता रहा है. मैंने अपना डिनर खा लिया. कैसे खा लिया? जल्दी जल्दी खा लिया. Quickly. So quickly becomes an adverb. और इसका शॉर्टकट क्या है? Basically, most of the time the adverbs always ends with ly. Most of the time the adverbs always ends with ly. My father came home early. What is an adverb?
Early.
Early. Sam sees many puppies outside. Sam ने देखता है puppies. कहाँ देखता है? Outside. So outside ये मतलब sees को दिखाता है. So outside becomes an adverb. Okay, outside becomes an adverb. The dress is elegant. Elegant is
Elegant is
adjective because
adjective.
elegant, ये elegant किसको describe कर रहा है? Dress को
Dress.
describe कर रहा है, noun को describe कर रहा है. If the words describes the nouns, so then that becomes an adjective. Let's see second sentence. She dresses elegantly. She dresses elegantly. So then
Now it
elegantly
is
becomes an
adverb.
adverb.
adverb. ठीक है? Spotting an adverb is easy if it ends with ly. Another way to spot an adverb is by asking questions like how, when, where, or how often. Like for example, the bird was flying swiftly. देखो पहला तो क्या है, point क्या है? If the word ends with ly, you can easily identify it is an adverb. So swiftly is a adverb. Suppose this is not coming, so then you can also ask, how did the bird fly? How? You will get the answer swiftly. So swiftly becomes the adverb. But obviously we always follow this first option. Okay? ly से जो end हो रहा है. A deer was strolling nearby. अब देखो यहाँ पर ly से end नहीं हो रहा. So then in that case you have to take the help of this WH family. Then you can, if you have to find out what is an adverb, then you can ask, where did the deer stroll? You will get the answer nearby.
Nearby.
So nearby becomes a
Adverb.
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 Adverb. The four utter pups were sleeping quiet peacefully. तो quiet भी हमारा adverb है, peacefully भी हमारा adverb.
Adverb.
ठीक है? बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाते, बस इतना ध्यान रखो. मेजरली ly से अगर एंड हो रहा है तो वो क्या है हमारा adverb.
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 Adverb. चलो इसमें देखते हैं how, when, where लगाना है. Okay, Sohail, he will be leaving tonight. What is an adverb?
Tonight.
Tonight. Very good. Tonight. Very good. Very good. Bhushan, he walked carefully as he has injured his legs.
Legs.
Legs is an adverb.
Carefully.
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 Carefully. Yeah.
ly.
Yes. Yes.
भूषण में ध्यान का है? हैं? किसी का को टाइम दे रखा है तो बता दो, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर दूंगी, नहीं तो कल दोबारा से 1-on-1 ले लूंगी. हाँ, ये थर्ड टाइम हुआ है भूषण.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay, Meena.
Bravely.
Hmm?
Bravely.
Number C. Number C.
Number C. Okay. Number D. Outside and place some. Outside.
Go outside. Outside. Very good. Outside. Outside. Sakib.
Bravely.
Bravely. Very nice. Bravely. I met him yesterday. Sonali.
Yesterday.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Partha,
Yeah.
what about you?
Yes. Yesterday.
Yesterday. Very nice, Sonali. Very nice. Yesterday. ठीक है? Very nice. Okay, चलो next. Again, I have made a list. ठीक है? Adverb, ly, ward, wise. ये I have written two words also. And the verbs that ends with ed, ing, en, izd or isc. ठीक है? ये सारे ये suffix हैं. So if you will see any suffix, so then it is easily you can understand कि these are all the verbs. These are all called the adverbs. Preposition. Preposition क्या होता है? Prepositions होता है when there is a relation between the nouns और the हमारा जो pronouns होते हैं उनके बीच में जो हमारा relation है. ठीक है? So that is called the preposition. Preposition. So prepositions is basically used before the nouns and the pronouns. The book is on the table. What is the preposition?
On.
On. Very
On.
good. The students are sitting in the room.
In.
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 He ran across the field.
Across.
Across. He arrived in the morning.
In.
In. Very good.
In.
He was walking along the road.
Along.
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 Very good.
Along.
Very good. ठीक है? Clear, simple. Conjunction. Conjunctions क्या होते हैं? Conjunctions are the joining words. Conjunctions are the joining words. ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स जो ज्वाइन करते हैं किस किस को, वर्ड्स को, फ्रेजेस को और सेंटेंसेस को जो ज्वाइन करते हैं. जैसे राम एंड मोहन विल कंप्लीट द वर्क. सो व्हाट इज द कंजंक्शन इन दिस सेंटेंस?
And
And. Very good. I meet you at the office or at home.
And.
Or is a or. Arun, or is a conjunction.
Okay.
He said that he was busy.
that
That is a conjunction.
Conjunction.
ठीक है, क्लियर?
Yes,
इंटरजेक्शन
ma'am.
क्या होता है? इंटरजेक्शंस होते हैं, these are the words which is used to express a sudden feeling, surprise, sorrow. Like for example, hooray, we have won the match. So what is interjection?
Hooray.
Hooray.
Hooray, because it shows a feeling. Bravo, the players have performed well.
Bravo.
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 So that is the interjection. Wow. What
Wow.
the presentation you have made?
Wow.
Ma'am,
Oops.
ma'am, just interruption.
Hmm.
Just for interruption, today I will exit the group because few guests has came to my house.
Oh, don't say exit the group. Say I'm leaving from the session.
Oh,
Okay?
sorry.
You really increase my heartbeat. Ki what has happened? Ki why the Saraswati is
Sorry, ma'am.
No, no, no,
No
not
worries.
for her.
Okay, इतनी
For-
जल्दी साथ छोड़ के जाना सरस्वती, ठीक है? 3 महीने का साथ है. Okay, you can leave. I will share the recording. ठीक है?
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
dear. Thank you. Okay. चलो, ठीक है? Clear this thing, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. मेरा system. Just a moment. Now be ready with the assignment.
Yes.
Hey, just a moment. Okay, so now just go through with it. Yes, Sharmila, go through with it. So, चलो जल्दी जल्दी करते हैं. जैसे एक बार go through कर लो. If you will see any problem, you can ask. I have written I have written some sentences जो dark color, जो bold color में है. That is the
Yeah.
part of speech. एक बार go
हाँ.
through करो. Just go through with the part.
Lives in New York. I wish that he had adjective amazing preposition of the. Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes.
Sakib,
Hmm.
Suhail,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
everyone? Clear? Simple है? Any problem?
Oh, no.
No.
Clear.
No.
Now, my brother came home late. Now, you have to just tell me the part of speech which is bold in blank. Okay, you are seeing some letters, some words are in bold. Like, Bhushan, my brother came home late.
Noun.
What is my? सबसे पहले तो मुझे बताओ कौन कौन से highlight है. My highlight है, home
My
highlight है,
home
and-
late.
So
Yeah.
what is my?
My is subject actually. So noun. My is noun, right?
No.
Pronoun, object
Pronoun.
Pronoun. Yeah.
देखो
object
इसमें यहाँ
pronoun.
पर ना हम इसको कहते हैं possessive adjective. इसको हम बोलते हैं possessive adjective. क्योंकि यहाँ पर belongingness की बात हो रही है. किसका brother? Whose brother? My brother.
My brother. Yeah.
Okay, so that if it is any extensions are coming before the noun, so that becomes an adjective. So इसको हम possessive adjectives बोलते हैं. ठीक है. तो my हो गया. Then home. Home.
Adverb.
Home is an adverb.
Noun.
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 Home is noun.
Noun.
And what is late?
Sorry. Late is yeah, adverb, ma'am. Late is
Late is
adverb.
adverb. Late is adverb. ठीक है. भूषण आज सेंसेस
आज
में
थोड़ा
कम दिख रहा है. हाँ, आज आउट हो कहीं. हाँ. अब this is not a right platform where I can ask, but definitely I would listen from you. कि what is exactly is going on into your mind. Okay, Sonali, I am a good girl.
Am is article and good is
Sonali, am is a verb.
Be verb.
Is, am, are, was, were, ये सब क्या है हमारे verb
Be
होते हैं.
verb.
हाँ
ठीक है, be verb. So am is a verb and what is good?
Adjective.
It is an adjective. Sharmila, number third.
I was looking for. This is the book I was looking for. I is a pronoun.
I is a pronoun. Yes, I is a
Yeah.
pronoun. What is was?
Was is a be verb.
And
And
what is
I
looking?
was looking. Looking is a verb.
Yes, looking is a verb. But be quick, guys. Be
Pres-
quick. Okay?
Present participle. Yeah.
No, don't say present participle.
Okay,
We are just
okay,
talking about the verbs.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Sakib. Wow, this is amazing. What is wow?
Oh, is interjection.
Very good. Very good. And what is amazing?
Amazing is a verb.
No. Amazing is not a verb.
ING.
नहीं ing तो आ रहा है बट यहाँ पर इसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है किसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है दिस को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है सो इट बिकम्स एन एडजेक्टिव
Describing adjective.
डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड है यहाँ पर पार्था नेक्स्ट
Climate is noun. Kodaikanal is noun.
एंड इन क्या है व्हाट इज इन इन इज अ
Propose.
preposition
Preposition.
Partha your voice is not coming
Climate is noun. Kodaikanal is noun. In is preposition. Very is adverb.
Where is adverb? Very good, very good, very good. Yes. Can you please pick up Dan and me on your way? So, and is
Conjunction.
conjunction. And on is
Preposition.
preposition. And your is
Noun.
Pronoun.
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 your way. Your again becomes a possessive adjective. किसका कौन
Okay.
सा किसका way? Your way.
Your.
Your way.
ठीक है? Okay. चलो next. You have to identify the parts of speech that is underlined. Underline words को. Namita is not coming today.
Noun.
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 Namita is a noun. Namita is a noun. Yes. So here, number second.
Verb. Will be leaving.
And tomorrow?
And tomorrow. Tomorrow is an adjective.
Adverb.
Adverb.
Tomorrow,
Adverb.
yesterday, ये सब हमारे adverb है. Arun, the teacher asks us students to stand. What is students?
एक मिनट
Huh?
sorry ma'am, sorry. Actually, he just tried taking my idea. So, just sorry.
Okay, so
Teacher
what is
is,
students? Are you able to give the answer? Okay, no
sorry,
worries.
ma'am.
You listen. So can
Common
anyone tell
noun,
me
ma'am.
what is students?
Noun.
Student
Common
is
noun?
a noun.
Noun.
Noun. Okay. He is my brother. What is my?
Possessive adjective.
Very good. It is possessive.
Possessive adjective.
Possessive adjective. अगर सपोज करो सेंटेंस होता his brother is mine. His brother is mine. तो वो जो mine होता ना that becomes a pronoun.
Objective.
हाँ, that becomes an objective pronoun. Okay, there is a cat under the table. What is under?
Under.
Preposition.
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 The clothes did not dry as it was raining all night. What is as?
Adverb.
Conjunction.
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 ठीक है? It is joining the two sentences. Sonali, Sheena and her sister dance well.
Conjunction.
Conjunction and
And is conjunction and well is?
Adjective.
well is
Adverb.
adjective.
Adverb. I am wearing a green dress for the party. What is green?
Adjective.
Adjective.
Oh, that's really sad.
Interjection.
Interjection. Very good. She is coming with me. Sakib.
Joint.
Conjunction.
Conjunction.
She is coming with me.
Adverb.
Conjunction.
Preposition.
Preposition. It is preposition. Okay. So guys, this is an assignment. Okay. What is this assignment? In the first assignment, you have to do the all the parts of speech. You have to do the all parts of speech. And in the second assignment, you have to underline the nouns. Okay, done? So I'm giving you 30 seconds time. मीना is saying, अरे मैम 30 seconds तो बस आपने बोले और खत्म हो गया. हाँ मीना, इतने serious expressions दिए ना, oh my god. चलो for मीना के लिए 40 seconds. Okay? What you have to do, एक एक word का, एक word का you have to tell me the part of speech. Okay? So tenses we will start in the next class. ठीक है? Because Omala is not here, Saraswati is not there, Omala के बगैर तो tenses हम करेंगे ही नहीं. Right? तो next class में करेंगे, but today we will do the mastery on this. Okay? So पहला first activity complete करना. Once the first activity will done, then you will start the second activity. Second activity में you have to just check out the nouns, and first activity में एक word का you have to tell me the part of speech. Clear? Sakib clear? Sonali clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sohail, Arun, तो I don't know. Meena clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, करो. Are you facing any doubt?
No.
No need to write the full sentence, only write down the answers. Okay, I will share this whole PDF. Okay, guys, done?
Yes, done.
Okay, just a moment. Okay, let's start. Okay, done everyone now? First activity. Okay, yes. So Sonali, what is wow? Okay, I'm not saying what is wow. I'm saying Sonali, what is an interjection in this sentence? Okay, Sonali, थोड़ा सा mood off लग रहा है सोनाली का. We are not touching Sonali. Okay, anyone?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is interjunction? Meena.
Wow.
Hmm?
Wow.
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 Wow. Only wow. Wow is in interjunction. Very good. Sharmila. What is although?
Although, prepositions or
Okay.
conjunction.
Everyone is saying preposition?
Conjunction.
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 Conjunction. Although is a conjunction. Okay.
Conjunction.
It is not always कि वो हमेशा बीच में ही आएगा. That comes in the beginning of
Start of the meeting.
because the conjunction का काम क्या होता है? Join करना. Okay. What are the pronouns in this sentence?
He.
She. Only she.
Presentation,
हाँ.
presentation and they.
Sorry?
Presentation and they.
Pronoun. Partha?
Pronoun, sorry. She.
She. हाँ. अच्छा, आप क्या बोल रहे थे पार्था?
Presentation and today, so presentation and today is the noun.
Today is not a noun.
Sorry,
Today is
sorry.
proposed.
Presentation is the noun. Today is not noun. Today is adverb.
So
Proposed.
what is a noun? What is a noun?
Noun is the name of some person.
नहीं, तो what is a noun in this sentence?
That is the presentation.
Only presentation. Only presentation.
Only presentation.
Only presentation is a noun. Okay? Okay? Now, Bhushan, what are the verbs?
Ma'am, which line?
Speak.
Not visible? The screen is not visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Sonali, it is visible, dear.
It is, ma'am, visible.
मैम
Actually, I'm
टुडे का क्या है
just
मैम
disconnected.
रिपीट इट अगेन
Today is an adverb. Today is an adverb. Tomorrow, today, yesterday. ये सब क्या है हमारे adverb? Adverb of time.
Ma'am, which line we are discussing?
First one.
The first one.
First one.
Wow, although she rarely speaks loudly. ये वाला.
Now I'm asking, what are the
No, ma'am,
verbs
it's
in this sentence? What are the verbs in this sentence?
Speaks, madam.
Speaks.
Speaks.
Only speaks?
Has been.
Has been. So there are
Has
the three verbs, speaks
Yeah.
or has been.
Has been.
What are the adjectives? Sakib, any adjective?
Rarely.
Speaks.
Impressive.
Impressive. Impressive is an adjective.
And confident.
Extremely.
And confident. And confident. And what are the adverbs?
Extremely.
not
Really,
visible
loudly,
to me.
Loudly,
and loudly.
rarely, extremely,
Extremely.
extremely,
extremely,
Extremely.
quiet. What
Today.
is quiet?
Quite.
Quiet is also an adverb.
Yeah.
And today is also an adverb. Okay? Now, we will search the nouns. We will search the nouns. Sonali, are you able to see the screen now? Blue color box?
Yes, ma'am. The first line is the happiness of the children made the teacher proud.
Search the nouns.
Noun. Made.
एक तो सोनाली को वर्ब से इतना प्यार है ना सोनाली, हाँ? तुम्हारी सुई वर्ब से जाके क्यों अटक रही है? मैं बोल रही हूँ नाउन्स बताओ, नाउन्स बताओ.
Teacher.
फिर हाँ, टीचर, ठीक है, टीचर इज अ नाउन. ओनली टीचर.
Children.
हाँ, एक एक करके. और देखो, और क्या ट्रिक है?
Sorry. Happiness also a noun.
हैप्पीनेस, क्योंकि कौन से सफिक्स से एंड हो रहा है? NESS से एंड हो रहा है.
NESS.
ठीक है, लेकिन तुमने बैक मारा है, राइट टू लेफ्ट. हम चलते हैं लेफ्ट टू राइट.
नहीं,
हाँ,
मैम मैं गलती से नंबर 2 का बोल रही थी, 1 के बजाय.
नंबर 2 में तो कहीं टीचर नहीं लिखा.
नहीं, मतलब इधर
अच्छा,
मैं
तुमने
लिखी
अपने
हूँ ना
उसमें लिखा
गलती
था.
से.
ठीक है, ठीक है,
हाँ,
ठीक है.
हाँ,
ओके,
sorry.
ओके, नो वरीज, नो वरीज. ओके, Sakib, would you like to try number 2? Sakib, मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. I'm not getting.
invitation,
हाँ, invitation. Okay, very good.
invitation, table,
Table, very good.
and the
Window.
last window.
Window. Very nice, Sakib. Excellent. Suhail, number 3.
The project
Hmm.
and the project and I think everyone.
No.
Meeting.
Meeting.
डिसीजन
Meeting.
And
डिसीजन
decision is
But
also.
my
And
meeting is end
decision.
with ing.
अरे सुहेल, ING से एंड हो रहा है, लेकिन उससे पहले देखो आर्टिकल नहीं लग गया. दी
हाँ.
लग गया ना.
The
वर्ब से
the
पहले कभी आर्टिकल नहीं लगेगा सुहेल. ध्यान रखो सुहेल, अगर यहाँ पर द नहीं होता तो भी ये नाउन होता. क्यों? फिर इन के ऊपर चला
इन
जाता.
के ऊपर.
इन क्या है? प्रपोजिशन है.
Position.
तो वर्ब से पहले कभी भी प्रपोजिशन और आर्टिकल्स नहीं आते सुहेल. यही तो समझाना चाह रही हूं. हम क्या कहते हैं कि वर्ब्स क्या होते हैं? डेड एंड्स विद ING. अब तुम सिर्फ उसी ING के ऊपर घूमते हो 360 डिग्री एंगल के ऊपर. बट आई टोल्ड यू ना कि देयर नंबर ऑफ टिक्स। तो ट्रिक्स क्या है? सबसे पहले देखो आर्टिकल तो नहीं है, आर्टिकल नहीं है तो फिर प्रेपोजिशन देखो, प्रेपोजिशन तो नहीं है, देन यू कैन कम। लेकिन यहाँ पर इस केस में से दोनों फॉलो हो रहे हैं, आर्टिकल भी आ रहा है, प्रेपोजिशन भी आ रहा है, तो यहाँ पर तो आईएनजी का वो है ही नहीं, तो ये हमारा क्या बन जाएगा सोहेल? नाउन।
Noun.
नाउन। ओके, ठीक है
Okay.
भूषण, नंबर 4th।
Manager, then team and suggestions.
मैनेजर,
Team,
suggestion
suggestions and
and
team.
the team. Very good, very good. Sharmila,
Exhibition hall.
no,
In the exhibition noun.
no. अभी क्या बताया था? अगर आर्टिकल के बाद 2 words आते हैं, if the 2 words are coming after the article, तो first word
So
becomes a
hall,
Adverb and adjective.
first word
adverb.
becomes an adjective and second word becomes the noun.
Okay. Then hall is the noun.
Noun और exhibition क्या हो गया?
Adjective.
Adjective हो गया। ठीक है, समझ आया? और क्या है? What is a noun?
Ma'am, painting noun.
Only paintings.
Collection.
Collection of paintings.
Collection.
Collection of paintings. हाँ, collection और
Collection of
paintings, sorry,
paintings.
collection और paintings.
Of
कैसे
paintings.
कैसे पता लगाया? collection से पहले क्या लगा हुआ है?
Article.
Article.
पेंटिंग से
और
पहले क्या लगा
painting.
हुआ है?
Of.
preposition लगा हुआ है।
Preposition.
सो कलेक्शन भी नाउन हो गया, पेंटिंग्स भी नाउन हो गई
Painting.
और हॉल भी नाउन।
All be noun.
यस मीना।
Kindness.
हाँ बोलो, काइंडनेस।
Shows
काइंडनेस के बाद
personality. Shows.
No, ma'am. Animal.
Animals. Animals.
टू वर्ड्स देखो, टू
Animals.
वर्ड्स इज अ preposition. Animals.
Animals.
And then
Personality.
पार्था।
Yeah. Development, technology, education.
Education. Very good.
Education.
Development, technology and
Education.
education. And what is modern?
Modern is the adjective.
Adjective.
Adjective. And what is change, Sonali?
Verb.
वाह, तुम्हारा फेवरेट आ गया सोनाली। ठीक है, चलो गाइस, ठीक है। सो दिस इज एंड ऑफ